You guys want to go from average Joe roofer to insurance restoration expert? I can help you do that. So we have severe weather all across the United States today. Large hail, damaging winds, and even tornadoes. And if you're a contractor that's not doing insurance restoration work, let me make you an expert in this area. So right now I can help you with your Xactimates, I can help you with supplements, I can even manage the entire restoration process for you guys so you can just be a contractor and maybe focus on sales. But that's not really what I want to do. I want to train you guys to be restoration experts. I want to train you guys. I want you guys to go from an average Joe to all-stars. And so I've developed training specifically to cater to you guys to up your game. And so that's really what I want to do. So in the interim, yes, I can help you present the estimate to the insurance company. I can help you make that estimate. I can help deal with the insurance company directly, so you don't have to deal with all the frustration, agitation that comes with dealing with insurance claims. Yes, I can do that. I got a great team that's very proficient in those areas. But guys, let's make it a goal. Over the next 6 months or year maybe, let's teach you guys to do it on your own so you don't have to depend on somebody. Maybe they're a couple months out, maybe they're very busy or whatever. The more you can control your own company and your own destiny, the better off you're ultimately going to be. I want to teach you guys how to do that. So all my information's down below, guys. Hit me up, let's talk, and I want to bring you guys all the way up to the moon, baby. Let's go. All right, I'll talk to you guys.